Raumfahrt Anfahrtsverheiratung. Der Betreffungsdelegation.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of Hala Airlines, Captain Georgia Modi and the rest of the crew, I'd like to apologize for the late service. Any inconvenience caused due to the silent signals. I'd also like to welcome all aboard the flight to the departure for our estimated flight time of 1 hour, 30 minutes. We shall be flying at altitude of 28,000 feet. It is routine regulation that advises reminded seatbelts carried on board and how to operate them categorically to demonstrate speed and attention. There are 6 emergency exits situated in forward doors, 2 rear doors, 1 exit over each side of the wing. All are clearly marked and safe. Should there be any power failure, the evacuation is ordered. Emergency response devices will appear at this to help you leave the aircraft quickly. This aircraft has been pressurized to be a comfort. In the very unlikely event of oxygen becoming necessary, the white panel of the bus seat will open automatically and masks like this will appear. This mask adheres to the heater. Pull the mask sharply downwards at the flow of oxygen. Remove your face mask, lift the oxygen mask over your nose and mouth like this, and breathe normally. It is the action of pulling the mask down which activates the flow of oxygen. Attempt yourself first before attempting to help others. Make sure children and infants under your care are attended to. On every seat, the seatbelt has been provided for you and support. To fasten the seatbelt, lift the buckle like this, and adjust your feet. Open, lift the buckle like this. I recommend that you keep your seatbelt firm on the normal height. Pull it over your head. Fasten straps around your waist. Leave the strap in the front. And pull the straps. Place over a toggle sharply downward. Should it fail to relate when it's popping up, blow into a touch tube. The life jacket has a light which illuminates the structure tension at night. Pull this tab so that this light will illuminate when in contact with water. Please do not inflate your life jacket until you're out in the aircraft, otherwise you'll restrict your exit. Children's life jackets must be inflated immediately after putting it on while inside the aircraft. The infant life jacket must be inflated before putting it on the baby. A safety card showing all this information can be found in the seat pocket in front of you. In your own interest, please read it carefully. To ensure that the seat is in full after position, the tables are closed, seats are fastened, ready for departure. Thank you for your attention. Wish you all a pleasant flight.
soo gaaray ragdi duwe raggeedii adina hadda ka dalada ka soo wax laga keeno waa Sacuudiga meelaas ka yimaada